welcome back to my channel. This is Sharmistha, and I recently went to Thailand in October. So not that recent, but kind of recent, and I bought quite a few things, and I wanted to show my friends on the internet on what all I bought. If you're watching this, whether you like it or not, we're now friends, and you have to be there for me now, and I'll also try to do the same for you. Let's get started with the haul. I got this bag, which I think was around 400 baht. When you convert them in INR, you might think it's a little expensive. I also thought so too, but there are three women in my household, and I thought worst case we all will use the bag at one time or the other. We three can use the bag, and I'll just open it and show it to you. The shopkeeper told me that it's made 100% of jute and it's apparently waterproof. I don't know. I have trust issues, so I don't know whether it's true or not. But this is a unique bag which you don't find many of these at other places. So I thought, okay, this is a unique thing to buy, so why not just get it for me or like my mom. I primarily got it for mom, but only I have used it till now. Story of my life. I can use this as a clutch as well. This handle can come off and I can put it inside, or like I can remove the big handle of the bag as well, and then I can use it as a clutch, and I think it's cute for like beachy vibe or like a summery outfit. The second thing that I got are obviously magnets. There were a lot of magnets in Thailand. You find them anywhere and everywhere. The ones I got were from Old Town Phuket, and I will actually suggest and recommend for you to save your shopping to Old Town Phuket, because you'll get a lot of variety there, and you can bargain as well more than Old Town Phuket as well. So that's a good place to shop from. So I got these two magnets. One is of Phuket at night and one is of Phuket at the daytime. And I'll give you a close up as well. The magnets are thick and they seem to be of good quality. Let's see for how long they last. I'll give you an update in 3 years and 10 years as well. So stick around for 10 years to get to know whether the magnets of Phuket last for 10 years or not, last for a decade or not. If there's consistently one thing that I've bought throughout the trip, it has been bags, different kinds of bags. So the third thing that I purchased that is actually very cute and you should be excited is this knit bag. Look at how cute it is. It has a pretty long handle, so you can use it as a sling bag. I sometimes go nearby on walks, or like if you want to carry a mini bag, this is very cute, and a very sweet old uncle sold it to me. He gave me a good discount as well, because I went to him with like puppy eyes and I was afraid of spending a lot of money, because as I try to be a little conscious in my spending habits. So this is what I bought in 250 baht. Also, I forgot to mention the price of the magnets. This was, I think, for 50 baht each. And I got this from Old Town Phuket. This is, again, I got something from Old Town Phuket, and the uncle was so sweet. I truly wish him the best wherever he is. I hope he's having a happy life. Thank you so much for giving me that discount. I'm very grateful, because I didn't want to spend a lot of money in shopping. I got this. It's a cute knit bag. I love the color. This has a closure as well. See, it's a cute bag. Yeah, for the sunny, cute vibes. If you had to guess, what else did I buy? It would be a wallet, which is a category of bags again. As I mentioned, I just went crazy and bought bags. I bought it mainly to store like extra cash or like coins. I thought this was cute. It has Thailand written on it, because we want people to know that I got it from Thailand, which I'm sure you can get it in India also somewhere or the other. But yeah, this has a chain enclosure. This was for 50 baht. Do the conversion yourself, because my videos are mentally stimulating as well. You're not gonna brain rot, you're actually gonna do mathematics when you watch my videos. So yeah, this I got for 50 bahts. Convert it into your currency and drop it in the comments. And this is probably my most favorite thing that I bought in the trip. Yeah, it's definitely my favorite. So the first thing is this earrings. Look at how cute they are. Wait, I'll just open it and I'll show it to you. See, see, see. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? The answer is yes. So I got this for 165 baht, and the shop had a lot of different earrings and hair accessories and neck accessories as well. I got this. It reminds me of the Chanel charms. I think Chanel also has similar earrings if I know my luxury brands, which I don't. Then I this. Won't it be cute with a black dress or a white dress? I'm very excited to wear this. If anyone wants to gift me any red dresses, please go ahead. Actually, no, you don't. I buy my own things. I like to do things for myself. And then, this is the most favorite thing I purchased in the trip. Look at this! It's a pair of Christmas themed earrings. This I got for 95 bahts. 95. I think it's a steal deal. I like weird stuff because I'm a person of eclectic taste. So yeah, this I got for 95 baht only, and I'm gonna wear this on Christmas. I had actually forgotten I got this, so I'm very happy to be doing this video before Christmas, and I'm gonna wear them. I think I'm gonna look cute while wearing them. So this is a bowl. This is a painting in a bowl that I bought, which is this painting is done on a coconut shell. And fun fact, you can actually use this bowl to eat or drink something out of it as well. You'll find this all over Thailand, but again, I recommend buying this from Old Town Phuket because you'll get a great deal there. I think I bought it at a costlier rate of I think 100 or 150 baht, but you can buy this in I think, or maybe I got it in 200 baht, but people were selling it at 100 baht also, or 90 baht. But anyway, the takeaway is that buy it from Old Town Phuket Road, and you'll get more of these things, more of such bowls. A lot more variety in Old Town Phuket, and you'll get a decent price. I personally got this from Phi Island, and I think that's why I overpaid. Things are more expensive. Souvenirs are more expensive in the island. So yeah, Old Town Phuket is amazing for shopping. This is something that I bought from the airport. These are coconut cookies. My fun fact, my dad loves coconut, and as soon as I saw these cookies with coconut in them, I was like, I have to get it. It's I think 350 baht if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's 365 baht. I got it at the Phuket airport, and I didn't have bahts with me. I had exchanged my bahts for dollars, so I think I paid around $12 for it, which I think is expensive for cookies. Then I was like, I'm getting it for my dad, and he's sponsored my whole life, so I can buy him a packet of cookies. And the taste of the cookies is not super buttery. These are apparently butter coconut cookies. I think I've tasted better, but again, it's from Thailand, so that's the reason I bought it. Had it been from India, I probably would say skip it, but like cool. And the cookies are of coconut shape as well. I'll show you one when I eat one later on. Now the last thing that I bought is also my favorite thing that I got. I love like body care stuff and like good smelling stuff, and I like smelling good myself. That's the reason I just had to buy what I just am about to show you. This, can you guess what this is? This is a soap, and it smells exactly like a mango, and it smells so delicious. If you're into body care as well, you have to get it. I got it in 75 baht, and I got two of these. One was an orange shade which I gave to my sister, and one is the yellow shade which I kept for myself. I love it. It smells like a mango. I haven't used it yet because I don't want to use it, then it'll be over. But I need to use it because the smell, I'm sure I'll be smelling like a mango whenever I use it. But yeah, that completes my shopping haul for Thailand. Oh, and I was wearing this top in actually my last day in Thailand. And yeah, good times. Hope to visit Thailand or a new country again. hope to make more haul videos for you. Or if you want to see any other type of video, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. And if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.